This has got to be the easiest veggie steamer that I have ever used. Literally 2.5 minutes in that microwave and I have the perfect broccoli. I will give you my recipe. Stay tuned, it is delicious. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. Let's go through this to take a look at this. So basically you've just got the two pieces here. You've got the little cover, it's got some steam there at the top. You've got your basket and then a space down here. So you just put a little bit of water covering the bottom and it's perfect. It also comes with 2 extra potato bags, and these bags are great because you just throw a potato in there, throw it in the microwave, and make sure it has room to move around, and you are good to go. Awesome. I'm excited to use these for sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, and they take forever in the oven, so very cool. But this just pops down naturally and steams out. Really good, makes the perfect broccoli. Now what I did 2.5 minutes, the tiniest bit of water on the bottom, and then I did some butter, and I probably still have broccoli in my teeth because I couldn't stop eating it. And then the topping that I like to use is just a little bit of mayonnaise and mustard mixed together. So it's just a mayonnaise mustard mix, a little salt, a little pepper, and you are good to go. It is one of the tastiest, quickest broccolis, and even the kids sometimes like it. So again, thank you so much.